how to use PageFly on Shopify. So let's get started. First, of course, you just have to simply log into your Shopify account. So you have to go to any web browser, type Shopify, and log in your account. And then here, first, you have to go to apps to simply install this PageFly application. Search for PageFly, and it will take you directly to this page. So there are tons of applications here, but you have to look for PageFly, which is the first one here. So I tap this one. So after you tap this PageFly landing page builder, it will take you to another page. And all you have to do is to look for this install button here. You can read some information to know more about PageFly. Once you tap it one, you have to tap it again, install application, to authorize this application to be installed in your Shopify. Okay, and that's it. Now, once you have your Shopify builder, this is what it looks like. I'm just using the basic version, so maybe it's quite different if you create your own. So this is what it looks like, and this is how we're going to start. So under PageFly Builder, we have here dashboard, pages, and other options. But what you're going to do here is to simply click this pages. So once you tap pages, you have to scroll down and you will see here two options like create blank page or create from template. So if you tap this one, you will have another options again. But this time, let's pick regular. And as you can see here, there are tons of templates that you can use, okay, in order for you to build a page. And if you want to create a blank page or you want to start from scratch, you just have to click this one and you will have options again, regular, home, and other options to your product and so on. So for our tutorial, let me tap create from template and choose regular for this time. And I have to pick from any of the templates here, but I want to choose this one. Let's just say I'm about to sell some juice or any organic thing here. So I have to tap this. You can click preview, but once you are sure, or if I'm sure to edit this or to use this template, I'm going to tap select. So this is what it looks like. Okay. You can click preview, but later you can see the result. Okay. If you want to see the preview. Now here you can tap all devices to see what it looks like if you are looking from a laptop view. This is what it looks like. If you want to see it on a tablet view, and if you want to look at from a mobile view, so it's very important to know that this is what it looks like so that you will have an idea on how to edit everything here. If you want your page to be seen only on mobile, so you can just simply change everything here according to a mobile view. But for me, I want to choose this, let's just say laptop or computer, or let me pick this all devices. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now, to start with everything, you can simply explore from any of the options here above. We have here page settings and page template. Okay, so to start with everything, you can go to the left side and tap this add element. And as you can see here, we have categories like containers, basic, we have here media, and social. So if you go to the containers and if you want to add layout, all you have to do is to tap and then select from any of the options of layout here and then simply drag this to this page. Okay. So for example, I want to choose a layout first and I want to use this layout here. So all I have to do is to drag it to the page and this is what it looks like. Now you can simply edit this. You just have to tap and go to the right side and there you will see some options and how to edit this. So you can change everything here if you want to change text, if you want to copy and duplicate this one, if you want to delete this, everything is up to you. So if you want to change something, just go to this right side here and you can change the color, you can change the format and the position or sizes. Okay, so that's it. Now, if you want to add another feature, just go to add element. Let's just say you want to add tab. So tap this one and then select from any of the choices here and then drag it right here. Drag it to the page. And then here you have the tab. And if you want to edit again, you just have to simply click and then go to the right side to change everything. Okay. So for example, this one here. So we have here tab 1, tab 2, tab 3. If you want to change the text, okay, you just have to simply tap this one here, go to the right side, scroll down till you see the text right here, okay, and then change this one. So let's just say I want to copy the information below. So all I have to do is to simply scroll down and copy that name, or everything is up to you. You can add some text if you want to, but this time I'm talking about my product and I have to copy this product right here and paste it right here so people can see these three products that I'm selling. Okay. So as you can see here, we have tab 1 with a different theme, tab 2, and tab 3. Okay, here you can add another option or feature here if you want to, but if it's not necessary, you can also delete this one. Okay, you can change the format or the header text. Everything is up to you. Like what I've mentioned earlier, you just have to go to the right side and there you will see the options. If you want to add another element again, you just have to go to add element. Just say if you want to add slideshow, you just have to drag it right here. And you can start your slideshow. So all you have to do is to drag that slideshow here, and all they have to do is to tap this arrow next so that they can view the slideshow here. Okay, and then to add another element, you just have to simply go to add element and then drag some features again. For example, for basic, if you want to add heading, you just have to tap this one, select from any of the choices here, and drag it to the page. Also for paragraph, you just have to simply drag it to here, and then button, if you want to add some buttons, for example, if you want to add like click here or please click this, then you can simply drag it right here and change the text. So again, if you want to change the text, you just have to click and then go to the right side and change the text. So this time I am going to change this to click it. So go to this part, button text, change this. You can change the format. Okay, for example, you want to set this like bold, italic, underline, and so on. Okay, and that's it. Now, if you want to add another element again, you just have to go to add element and add some features there. So let's just say if you want to add list, just tap list. Okay, so we have here also HTML and so on. So all you have to do is to tap this and then drag to the page. We have also here media. So if you want to add something like image, you have to add YouTube video. So all you have to do is to drag it right here and then paste the URL or link your YouTube channel here. Everything is very possible. Also, aside from that, you can also add under social, you can add other videos here. Everything is up to you. Okay, for social, you can add your Instagram account. All you have to do is again, drag that here and then link your Instagram account. Also, you can add your Facebook feed, and Twitter feed. Okay, for advanced, we have your QR code, table, and other features. So all you have to do again, if you want to add this, you just have to drag it to the page and edit this. You just have to tap and go to the right side to edit everything. Other features aside from add element is add Shopify element. You just have to click that one and you can add some features here like collection list, customer form. Okay, everything is up to you. Now, aside from that, we have also here feature like add third-party elements. You just have to simply add that third-party element here. Okay. And then manage integrations if you want. Another extra third-party applications, and these are recommendations. But if you can't find the third-party application here, you can search it right here and then add it to your PageFly page. Okay, so that's it. Now, if you want to see this, tap save, and then you just have to think of the title, for example, store 2, and then save this one. Now, if you want to review your store, you just have to go to the right side. At the top right corner, you will see there an eye icon. You just have to click that, and it will take you directly to your PageFly. So that's it. So if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.